Welcome to this technical guide on the Acer N19H2. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Acer N19H2 won't hold a charge, you're not alone. This issue commonly arises due to a degraded battery that can no longer retain its charge effectively. If left unaddressed, this can lead to further complications, such as unexpected shutdowns, which can disrupt your work and potentially harm your device. To successfully replace the battery in your Acer N19H2, you'll need a few tools: a small Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a new battery compatible with the Acer N19H2. First, ensure you power off your device completely and disconnect it from any power source. Begin by using your plastic spudger to gently pry open the back cover of the Acer N19H2. Take your time to avoid damaging the clip securing the back cover. Once inside, locate the battery, which is typically situated near the bottom of the device. You'll see a few screws securing the battery in place. Use your Phillips screwdriver to remove these screws. Make sure to keep them safe, as you'll need them for the new battery. After removing the screws, carefully disconnect the battery cable from the motherboard using your spudger. This step requires a gentle touch, so be cautious not to damage any nearby components. Now, you can lift the old battery out of its compartment. Place the new battery into the slot, ensuring it fits snugly. Reconnect the battery cable to the motherboard, making sure it clicks securely into place. Once you've done this, replace the screws you removed earlier to secure the new battery. Before closing your device, it's a good idea to power it on to check that everything is functioning correctly. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. After confirming that your Acer N19H2 is working as expected, carefully snap the back cover back into place, ensuring all clips are secured. To prevent future battery issues, try to avoid letting your device's battery drain completely on a regular basis, and consider using a surge protector when charging. Regular maintenance can also help prolong the life of your battery. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.